for joining us for another inspiring interview in our Influential Women Leaders video series. I want to introduce Apurva Panadapu. Some of you girls may have met Apurva before because she has been to GLAM. Twice she came as a speaker and another time as a mentor. Apurva is the founder of Apurva Panadapu's Art Gallery, an online platform designed to share her artwork and raise funds for charity. She founded her charity when she was just 12 years old. Now, she is going to interview our special guest today, so take it away, Apurva.
Hi girls, thank you for inviting me today and for giving me the opportunity to share our special guest with you. Her name is Wynter Deagle. She is a lawyer who protects people's right to privacy online, among other things. Not only that, but she's also the managing partner of her law firm's San Diego office in California. That means that not only does she handle legal work, she also manages the whole office. I know you girls can't wait to meet her, so let's get started. There are laws that protect people's personal information online, and that includes privacy protection for kids. It's important for people to know what their rights are. What do you think the GLAM girls should know about their rights to privacy online?
That's a great question. And so in particular for kids, you're actually the most protected when you're under 18 in terms of protecting your personal information. Every time we interact online and oftentimes in person, when you go to the grocery store, for example, and you sign up for a rewards card, or when you buy something online, you enter a lot of personal information. And so all of that information is collected about you and out there. And you have the right to control how it gets used and who has access to it if you choose to.
That's super interesting. I also wanted to ask you about your support for diversity, equality, and inclusion in the legal community. Diversity and inclusion mean equal opportunities for people, no matter what their gender or race. You're an active advocate for diversity in your field, and you help a lot of girls and women by mentoring them. Why is it important for girls to be interested in law careers?
When I was growing up, right, I didn't know anybody that was a lawyer. That to me is really unfortunate because I think it's so important that our justice system, which is designed to represent everybody and to help everybody, be reflective of the people that it's designed to help, right? And so one of the things that's really important to me is that when we hire new lawyers or when we're helping people get into law school or promoting people up through the ranks, that we're promoting people that are diverse and that are reflective of all of our clients and our communities at large.
Thank you. Do you have a message for young girls who want to have a career in law?
Yeah, don't let anybody tell you that you can't. So I don't come from a traditional background for a big firm lawyer. I grew up in a small town in Florida, in a trailer park, in a family where nobody had graduated from high school. If I can do it, you can do it. Absolutely can. You're gonna need help along the way, mentors, people to talk to you about how to get into college, how to go to law school. If you reach out and get those resources and work hard, you can absolutely achieve anything that you want to achieve within the law. And I would love to help anybody that wants to be a lawyer or that is interested in the practice of law. I think it's so important that all of you girls realize that the world is such a broad place and there's so many doors open to you. And you can walk through the door if you're willing to work hard enough to get there.
Thank you. That's so inspiring. I'm hoping that the girls can look up to you as a role model. At GLAM, girls learned that we each have a superpower, and we learned how important it is to embrace what is unique and different about ourselves. For you personally, how would you define a superpower, and what is your superpower?
I think for me, the superpower is what you have that allows you to connect with and help others. I think that my superpower, honestly, is kind of empathy and compassion. I don't come from a family of money or of privilege. And so a lot of the struggles that I see with others, you know, growing up in a family where food is scarce or experiencing homelessness, I've experienced those things myself. And so I'm able to connect with people and support and empower them in different ways, I think, because I've been there. I know what it's like to work really hard for your goals and to not be able to fall back on family or other people to provide resources or to support you along the way. And so I think that allows me to think harder about how I can support and empower others and how I can use the position that I'm in now, right? So I'm a partner in a law firm, I have some influence in the legal community, I have a seat at what they call the table. And so what I like to do is think about how I can help support and empower people and use what I have to pull another seat up at that table for somebody else.
I think now more than ever, it's really important that we remember to have empathy and compassion for everyone around us. So thank you again, Wynter, for meeting with us today and for sharing your expertise with the girls. I'm sure they learned a lot in this interview. Back to you, Margaret.
Thank you, Apurva and Wynter, for a great interview. GLAM girls, thank you for joining us, and hopefully you learn more about online privacy and that you have rights that are there to protect you. And hearing from Wynter, a true superhero, how setting goals and having mentors, working hard can lead you to your dream job. Until next time, I'm signing off. Bye-bye.